Hey guys, we are here at SHOT Show 2020 and I'm here at the Accu-Tac booth with Felipe. Felipe, how are you, sir?
Travis, I'm doing great, man.
Terrific, terrific. So thank you for having us at your booth. We're very excited to be here. The official bipod sponsor of the NRL22 is huge.
Yes.
Super appreciative of your support. And at the show, you're launching 2 new bipods.
We do. We have 2 models, 2 new models for 2020. One of them is our wide body.
Right.
Bipod. So we had a BR4 bipod and an HD50 bipod, and we made a hybrid between those two.
So if those two had a baby, this is what it would be.
This is what it would be right here.
Nice.
And both those babies, they come in with a longer leg or a shorter leg.
Okay.
For those people that just want the more height. We also have, Travis, a panning version of that on a smaller package that we didn't have before. So this has the panning,
right,
and the canting right here.
Nice.
It's super smooth, super robust, heavy duty.
So we had the opportunity recently, some of my team and I, at an NRL22 match, to run your bipod, and this thing is so stout. It's like almost cheating. It's so stable.
Well, that's what a bipod's supposed to do.
Right.
It's help you shoot, keep you down, stable, solid. Absolutely. It does what it's supposed to do. That's what you want. You want the rigidity and the stability to get a better shot.
Right.
So, exactly. So yeah.
And you have quite a wide variety. These being your twoist, but this will work absolutely for centerfire or rimfire.
Oh my God! You can actually put this on a 50 BMG. So even though we make a 50 BMG bipod, you can actually put this on a 50, and it'll take the beating for sure.
Nice. So what are we looking at here retail for the standard and then the
for
deluxe?
Retail, from all the models, I forgot exactly what these are, but they range from $299 up to like $399. From the whole range, the whole like 9 or 10 different models.
Super affordable.
I think so. I mean, for what you get what you pay for.
Right.
And this is definitely premium, definitely high end. It's worth the money. It's worth every penny and then some.
I mean, if you're looking at like a Harris bipod, which has kind of been the industry standard for years and years,
yeah.
But it's very limited in its capabilities.
It is.
Right? It's a great bipod, but it's limited.
It's a good bipod, but you get what you pay for in a way. And the cool thing about this, Travis, these are lifetime warranty. So you buy it once, and if it ever breaks, you're not going to break it. But if it did, you don't have to throw it away.
Right. And it's not that much more. I mean,
yeah.
for what you're getting, from buying a Harris to this, it's not that much more money.
It's not that much more.
Way more features.
A lot more features. These things are built like an F-16. We actually machine every single component, full CNC machine, everything, even to the minor little touches, everything. So you get a lot of quality, a lot of what's the word here? Like, it's just the detail.
Right.
The quality behind every component is just awesome. It's the best.
It's like I said, we had the opportunity to try it a couple of weeks ago, and I was jealous that I didn't have one on my rifle.
We'll have to change that.
the one you sent me, I was letting one of our guys use it. Now he won't give it back.
Good. He's not supposed to. No, that's good. He's a smart man.
He's a smart man. So, and I noticed here both of these are PIC, but they do come in ARCA variations.
They do. All the bipods come in either PIC rail or ARCA.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's something definitely for everybody.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, absolutely.
And then I don't know if we're going to show this or not, but
we can.
Okay.
So we're playing with some new extensions. So right now what we're doing is we haven't launched them yet because we're trying to figure out what's the proper length.
Right.
Because you can actually stack these.
Size matters.
Size matters. So we're trying to see different people using them a different way to fine tune the length. So that way we kind of fit a wide range.
Right.
So we don't want to just make any size. We want to kind of study that for a little bit.
Absolutely. So. And these are toolless like everything else.
Everything's toolless. You don't need a tool to put this on.
So just screws in, screws out.
Just to show you here real quick. Go ahead and take the rubber foot out. Put this one in there. And it actually engages and it slides all up in there. You just screw that over.
Nice.
Screw it in there and then just tighten it. And it's
that's
solid.
sturdy.
Oh,
I mean, you're
sturdy.
moving this whole table. All right.
I'm moving the whole table with the bipod. Exactly. I mean, that's what we do.
Nice.
Sturdiness. It's secure.
And then we can still remove this and put the spikes.
Yes.
Or the claw.
The claw or the sled feet like this. We have these sled feet right here. So you can do spikes, sled feet. They come with rubber feet. You can put on the sled feet, or you can do the spikes, which people love these things.
Those things are a weapon.
They're a weapon. They are a weapon on its own. But for any application, this is it's just cool. It just looks cool.
It looks very cool. It is sharp. I used to
Yeah.
carry a set of spike feet around in my backpack until it ripped a hole in my backpack.
it will. Yeah,
so
no, this-
be careful with the spikes, but they're very useful in mud or sand,
Absolutely.
inclement weather.
Yes,
So
yes, absolutely. But they will mess up your backpack. You know. So
Well-
yeah, that's what we do.
I appreciate the time. I know you've got a ton of people here waiting for you.
No, that's okay. They'll take care of them. We're good. I thank you for being here. It's
Absolutely.
fun. I'm glad to show you everything what we're doing new. It's innovative. It's
awesome. Yeah, and you guys have a great following in the NRL22 and NRL air rifle. You know, your centerfire market's growing. Everything law enforcement. I mean, you guys have done a great job. Congratulations.
Thank you, Travis. We're proud of that.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.